Welcome to Car Trend. Today, we're stepping into the past and driving into the future, all in the same moment. Because Chevrolet has done something bold, something nostalgic, something beautiful. This is the 2026 Chevrolet 3100, a tribute to the golden age of American pickups, reborn with modern technology and timeless soul. From the very first glance, the 3100 is instantly recognizable. It wears the classic curves of the 1950s with pride. The rounded fenders, the smooth cab lines, and the signature split windshield are all here. But everything's been reimagined with precision. LED headlights are cleverly built into vintage-style housings. The grille is bold, finished in brushed aluminum with that iconic Chevrolet script stretched proudly across the front. It's heritage brought to life, not copied, but evolved. Move around to the side, and it becomes clear, this isn't just a showpiece. It's a real truck. Built on a modern frame, it sits on wide retro-styled wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires. The step-side bed has been updated with a durable composite floor and soft close tailgate, but the look, pure 1950s charm. Inside, it's a perfect fusion of old-school simplicity and modern comfort. You'll find bench seating trimmed in soft leather with contrast piping that echoes the original. The dashboard blends analog-inspired gauges with a digital cluster, and the steering wheel, thin-rimmed and large, gives you the feeling of driving something truly special. There's wireless charging, a modern infotainment system, and full smartphone integration, but all hidden beautifully within a vintage design. Under the hood, you've got two choices. A powerful V6 with over 400 horsepower for those who want the rumble and muscle. Or an all-electric option, silent, smooth, and packing over 300 miles of range with instant torque. The 3100 may look old school, but make no mistake, it's quick, capable, and refined. On the road, it rides like a dream. Independent suspension, electronic stability, and modern brakes make it easy to drive, while still feeling analog in the best way possible. You're not just driving a truck, you're experiencing a legacy. And that's what makes the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 so special. It's not about blending in. It's about standing out, not with flash but with timeless style. It's about remembering where we came from, while embracing where we're going. Prices start around $55,000, depending on the trim and powertrain. But truthfully, this isn't just a purchase, it's a personal statement. A piece of rolling art. A salute to a time when trucks were built with character and pride. This is more than a pickup. This is the return of an American legend. This is the Chevrolet 3100, 2026. Thanks for riding with Car Trend, where icons never fade, they just come back stronger.